Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Twitter header. So first things first, obviously you're going to want your character or an IRL person, whatever you're making a Twitter header of. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to size them up. And then I like to make the colors the color of the person, if I can. If not, then I kind of do whatever colors I want. So I size them up, grab the colors, and then we're off to the first color. So first, I'm gonna make that side yellow, and then this next side orange. Alright, I sized him up a little more, kind of just adjust the colors quickly, that way he's in the middle. So now what you're gonna want to do is grab your text. For the text, I'm gonna use Genuine. It's kind of my go-to. Type it out for whoever it's made for. Then what I like to do is hold Alt and grab it out. Bring this next one up bigger. Let's make it a little smaller. Put it behind. And then we'll make this one we'll put it in the back. So we're gonna turn on the stroke and put the blending options, put the fill opacity all the way down, and we can move it up a little because it's off center. And obviously the white does not look good on the yellow, so we're gonna change the color of this to the orange. And we're also gonna put a stroke on that. I'm gonna size this up a little more. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab one more of these. I'm gonna make the color, maybe we'll try white. Size it up really, really big. Like that. Put it behind everything. See if it'll look good in overlay. Turn the opacity down. Maybe we'll make it a little bigger. And this will give it more like more texture in the background. So once you do that, now I'm gonna grab my second Naruto, which I have over here. I'm gonna make him a lot bigger. And then I'm gonna put him behind this Naruto. And then kind of play around with the settings, see what I like the most. Alright, that looks a lot cleaner. There we go, that looks a lot cleaner. So now I got the second Naruto in there. So now that I got the second Naruto in there, I like to play around with the effects of the Naruto. Maybe like an outer glow. Give him a little orange outline. That looks good, that looks good. Now, next what I like to do is I like to go to the translator. And then I like to put in whoever name I'm doing. For me, this will be it, so I don't put in the GFX because it doesn't translate. So you copy this. And what I like to do is I just like to Control V. And then we have it. And then make this the same color as this orange over here, whatever color you're doing over there, because that's where we're gonna put it. You're gonna put it next to the name. Slide it down a little. I like to put it on the side. Then I'm gonna copy the layer style and paste it onto that. I'm gonna turn this back on so I'm done playing with it. Now what I'm gonna add next is I'm gonna add some kunai just to kind of give it some more life. I'm gonna put it behind this one, and then I'm just gonna rotate horizontally, and I'm gonna have it across. Alright, now that I got that in the background, what I like to do next is to come up here. I like to make the bottom a little bit black, just like that. And then what you can do next is you can start kind of adding some filler into the background. So kind of just like make little small rectangles like this. So you make little small rectangles, and once you're done selecting, do Alt backspace, and that'll fill it in with your, I believe, foreground color. And then you can kind of just put them wherever you want them. Try to make it like 3 to 5 pixels, that's probably your best bet. And you can also put it on the other side too. Kind of want to make these kunai, I want to make them glow a little in the back. So maybe hit them with an outer glow. Let's try that. And then I'll just copy the layer style, paste on the next one. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a glow in Naruto's eyes. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here, press B, size mine down, mine's on hard, turn it to soft. What you're gonna do is just add it over his eyeballs. Turn it to linear dodge add. Turn the opacity down. Linear dodge add. There we go. And then you just turn it down a little. That'll make his eyes pop. I'm gonna make it white. Linear dodge add. Turn it down. We're gonna make it blue with a new layer. Linear dodge add. Turn it down. And that's how you make their eyes glow. And I'm gonna try to add another, maybe like a drop shadow. And then last but not least, I like to come down to my special effect brushes. I like to get the screen tone 35. And this is totally up to you. You don't have to do this one. I usually like to do it. I just come down here, make little like circles. By the way, if you don't know how to do this, all you have to do is hold Alt and then right click and drag left to the right to make it bigger or smaller, and then up and down makes it the hardness go up and down. And that's how you control your brush like that. Like I said, you don't have to do this. This is just if you want. This is how I learned, so if you wanted to just totally do it. But yeah, that's how you make a quick and easy Twitter header. Now the last thing before you're done, you Control G it to group it all, and then Control J and make another group of it, and then you're gonna right click it, turn it into a smart object, and then you're gonna come to filter, camera raw filter, and then you're gonna want to play with this. Then you can turn the exposure up and down, get to mess with the contrast, highlights up and down, maybe play with the shadows a little, the whites, and this really helps your banner stand out more. It really gives it a more realistic feel to your banner, so you definitely want to do this before. Once you're done making anything, you definitely want to camera raw filter it, whether it's a thumbnail, a banner. Camera raw filters usually it's pretty important. It'll definitely make your banner or thumbnail stand out a lot more, so make sure you're always using your camera raw filter. And I'll show you the before and after. So this is the after, that's the before. See how it makes the colors really stand out more? Now, if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see more from, what you want me to make next. Definitely let me know what you guys think of this video, and I'll keep producing more and more videos. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.